SMC One-touch, metric and inch size fittings KQ2 are available in a wide variety of body styles, sizes, and thread types. The specially designed packing provides positive sealing under pressure, without the reduced flow common with compression fittings. The KQ2 release collar releases both the chuck and collet to provide a low disconnection force for easy removal of the tubing. Features: release collar allows easy removal of tubing without damaging the tube, applicable for both vacuum and positive pressure applications. Accepts nylon and urethane tubes. Maximum vacuum pressure is 1.0 Pa.